Welcome back to day 12 of our 30-day Go High Level build for coaches. Again, my name is Gina, and today we're setting up internal notifications. These are the alerts that notify you or the coach whenever something important happens inside the CRM. This is a simple but very important part of the system because it helps you respond faster, track activity, and never miss a lead. So for day 12, we're creating three automatic notifications. So first, when a leads fill out the form, and then second, when someone books a call, and lastly, when a call is marked as completed. So this keeps the coach updated in real time and improves their follow-up. So let's start with the first workflow for the new lead movement. So this workflows already moves the lead into the correct pipeline stage. So now we're just adding notifications. To do that, click the plus sign and then search for send internal notifications and then select email. So this means GoHighLevel will send an internal email to you or the coach whenever a new leads come in. Before I write a message, let me quickly explain something important about tokens. Tokens are placeholders that automatically pull real information into your notification. So instead of getting vague email like new lead came in, you can receive a more helpful message that includes their name, email, phone number, and the time they submitted the form. So, for example, if I write here this message, Go High Level will replace these tokens with the actual contact information. This way, you don't even need to open CRM. The notification already tells you who the lead is. Now, let's finish the notification. Let's start changing the subject to new lead submitted and then message to this new lead submitted and then choose the user who will receive the notification. So you can choose all users, assigned user, particular user, or custom fields. So I will assign the user, and don't forget to put a label so that everything is organized. So here I will put, and then make sure to click save and publish. Now let's proceed with the second or the step 2. So the same thing, click the plus sign and then send notification and then email. So for this one, this is the message that we need or that I will put, and then the subject will be new call booking. Don't forget to put the assigned user who will receive the notification. So this gives the coach everything uh, they need before the call. And here we can put notify coach. Oh, sorry, notify coach as the label, and then click on save. And finally, we'll add a notification in the call completed movement workflow so the coach knows when the appointment is marked as completed. So click the plus sign and then send email notification and then click on email and just simply put a simple message like this. Also, with the subject, we can put like this, and then the user, assign to user, and don't forget to put a label to make sure that everything is organized and easily understand. Don't forget to click on save, and that's your day 12 internal notification. This doesn't take long, but it's incredibly valuable because it keeps the coach updated instantly without manually checking the CRM. Make sure all three notification workflows are saved and published.